What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. This one, I'm going to make it through kind of quick. Y'all have seen these before. Had to take the label off, so, you know, y'all didn't figure out where I lived and stuff. Got to be secure with it. I'm going to open this one with a T-Mobile SIM card. And the only downside to these is the price. Wasn't too happy about that. But going by the way they look and the history and everything else, I had to do it. Had to cop. I mean, I've already got like 10 pairs, so had to just keep doing it. I'm addicted. I gotta admit, I'm addicted. So get it out of here. Size 12.5 in the Adidas Ultra Boost. Right there, right there. You see it? You see it? The Adidas Ultra Boost anniversary pack, the LTD. I got a 12.5 because the 4.0s are a little snug. I figured I'd try, you know, a bigger size, see how it feels. And there we go. This is it's got that crazy. That's the thing I don't like about the 4.0s. It's got that. I like the plastic look better. I don't like that matte kind of cardboardy look. It just kind of looks cheap in my opinion. But these caught my eye. I mean, these these released part of the 5 years of Boost anniversary pack. They had a Energy Boost OG, which is the first one that released, the first ever shoe with Boost on it that released back in 2013. They had that one right here. Then they had a newer Energy Boost, kind of a remake of the older one, right here. And they've got the Ultra Boost LTD, which is kind of like a ode, you know, like what made them popular. I mean, Boost came out in 2013, but it really didn't get popular until 2015 when the Ultra Boost came out, so that's why they went ahead and designed this. So it's got yellow all over it. The torsion system on the bottom is yellow. It's got yellow on the tongue, and the insole is yellow, as you can see. It's got that 4.0 like bubble boost written on it. Kind of cool. It's got random gray like thrown in here. But the cool thing is it's 3M. So, I mean, it's, you know, gray speckles in the prime knit. But when you hit it with a flash like this, it flashes. So that's cool. That's really cool. I love me some 3M. It's got gray kind of outlining the plastic cage. And even though it has this on the back, I'm glad that, you know, they went back to the plastic with this. Because, honestly, the triple blacks with that, you know, like, knitting, like, material kind of right here, the, I honestly don't even know what it was. It had plastic on the back of it, and it's got fabric, kind of like a mesh or something. I wasn't a big fan of that, but I love the plastic. It stays as like a rib cage instead of like flattening out and like looking all funny. So yeah, let's check these out on feet because I know they're gonna feel great. Felt great. I mean, when it comes to Adidas, like, I've never had problems with buying NMDs, Ultra Boost, Yeezys, anything. No flaws, no anything. They always make great quality. And the size 12.5 actually fits like the 12 does in my original 2.0 triple blacks, the 1.0s. The 12.5 fits just like those. So I highly recommend going a half size up. But yeah, I can't wait to you know, add these to my daily rotation. They just, I don't know. I mean, the way that this is speckled in right here kind of gives it a look like those sweaters that like professors wear, you know? So I don't know. I like it. I do. I'm kind of like it. It's a good kind of relaxed, chill, you know, nothing too fancy, but it's got a good story, part of a collection. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Did y'all pick these up? Honestly, I wouldn't hold it against you if you didn't, because I mean it's 220 bucks, and from what I understand, they made a lot of them, so they might end up going to outlets or something. You might be able to catch them on sale. But I just, you know, I wanted to cop it, so why not? What did y'all think about the shoe besides the price? Because 220 is outrageous for an Ultra Boost. I mean, it's the exact same. They just tacked on like 40 bucks for whatever, the 3M maybe. I don't know. Yeah, make sure to subscribe because that giveaway is coming up. We got to get to 1,000 subscribers. Remember, if y'all didn't see that video explaining the giveaway, make sure to check it out right here, or right here, one of the two. Yeah, so I'll catch y'all next time. I got a lot of shoes coming. Those Jordans are dropping, so I can't wait to get them. And how many of y'all missed out on that Justin Timberlake Jordan 3? That was crazy. So, yeah. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll catch y'all next time. Have a good one. Peace.